Hey guys, Adam here. So basically, I wanted to make this video today to let you know what I'm going to be doing with this channel and where this channel is heading and what kind of content I'll be putting on the channel. So I've prepared a script since there were a lot of things on my mind and I didn't want to just jump in and just rant. So I got my thoughts in place and basically what I want to talk about today is why I've been on and off YouTube and not completely given all my time to it. First of all, I had a full time job. On top of that, I had other personal issues to work with. And today, this video is mostly about what's next for me as an artist and where I'll be heading towards. So, a lot of you might, whoever's following me, I don't know, I think it's around 220 people or something right now. So if you guys are watching this and you guys have followed me since the channel's been up, I have not been a good place with my art, and why that is, there are multiple reasons why that has happened throughout the years. It's mostly because I don't know where my art was taking me, or like what I was creating and what kind of stuff I wanted to create. So over the past few years, I've lost touch with being an artist multiple times. It's not just happened once, it's happened quite a few times. And like the thought itself, like thinking about it now, so like, it's a very irritating thing that has happened. And it it keeps happening. Like if you're an artist, you know what I mean. Like sometimes you just don't know where or what you're creating, what you're making, right? So what I've realized is being someone who sticks to one kind of an art style or does just one kind of artwork, or like any other art style, like illustrations, modeling, like making stickers or whatever, like that's not like me. I can't stick to just doing one thing because I kind of lose interest after a point where I think that it's become like becomes like a very repetitive thing. And I feel like I don't need to just be doing this, right? Like I have so many interests in all different kinds of art. Like I like abstract, I like illustration, I like working with clay, I like I like painting, I like doing a lot of other things that, like, throughout my years of just being an artist has like got me into a lot of different aspects of being who I am. Like I've even been to therapy to figure out, like, what is there something wrong with me, or is it just the way I am? And I've realized that it's okay to be this way. And I feel like there's nothing wrong in trying to just explore, like, until I'm dead or something. Like I don't know. But to be honest, like everything in my like experiences, therapy and other things, they've pointed me to a good place where I don't need to find validation for whatever I am doing. Like I don't need to do this and someone tell me, oh, this thing looks good, because that's unrealistic, right? Like not everybody's gonna like whatever I'm doing. And like I can't expect that also from people. There'll be obviously some people who don't like some people don't like illustrations, some people don't like stickers, some people don't like cartoons, some people like anime, some people like comics. Like there's like different sects of people, right? Of what they want to do, what they don't want to do. So what I want to say is, like, Being an artist is really difficult, and it's a nerve wracking journey, man. Like the ups and downs are, they hit the roof, and then sometimes you're in the gutter. So moving forward, what I've decided is, what I'm going to do with this channel basically is mostly I'll be making videos of different kind of things that I create, or art that I'm like, suppose today I like this, I try it, and then suppose tomorrow I like something else, I try it, and you guys can see the process of me doing it. And mostly it'll be work, stuff I find on the internet which I find interesting. Like suppose I find an illustration about someone making a unique kind of tarot, or a unique kind of uh, content, like art related stuff, right? Like suppose there's something trending and how people are doing it, how does it, what is the process of doing it, or what I get as commissions, because I do commissions for people. So basically, I quit my job in the end of December 2024, in 2025. Hope you guys are having a great year. And so I don't have any iPad or Wacom to do digital work. So the digital work will be on pause until I eventually get something with which I'll do all the digital stuff. Until then, I'll mostly be doing traditional work, which I enjoy doing traditional work, which is nice because it feels very to the skin, like with my hand. And besides that, what I have realized is I like to talk a lot. So I will be talking about art related things, like art blocks, different techniques of art, stuff related to my career that I've learned throughout the years, and feedback on what I'm making. Like suppose I try a new medium, like suppose I'm doing an acrylic painting, the pros and the cons of it, how it can look nice, how you can add things to it, things that I learn I'll teach you, and things that I find out also I'll talk about it, and yada yada, like you get the gist. So I'm really hoping that a lot of people who come and watch my content, I hope you guys learn something from it. I hope you guys find your own path to walk down your art journey, and I hope you guys will join me in discovering myself and what art means to me. I have basically starting from zero, I think so. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.